Hello everyone. If your OET exam is just 15 days away and you're starting to panic, stop. Because here's the truth. You don't need perfect English to pass OET, you just need the right strategy. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down a 15-day OET study plan that actually works, even if you're short on time. We'll cover what to do first, how to improve each section, and how to maximize your score fast. Let's get into it. Right now, you're dealing with two things. First is time, and second is your score gap. You already know your test date, you probably know the score you need, but here is the real question. Do you know your current level? Because your entire strategy depends on this. Step 1 is to take a full mock test. If you need help with that, please let me know in the comments. This is non-negotiable. It will tell you where you stand, what your weak areas are, and what the real exam feels like. After taking the mock test, let's say your scores look like this. Listening, good. Reading, low. Writing, just below target. And speaking, borderline. Now your focus is clear. Don't waste time practicing everything. Focus only on what's pulling your score down. OET listening has three parts and they get harder. For part A, focus on patients' conversations. Train your ears to catch keywords and details. For part B, practice with high quality test questions only. A lot of free online material is honestly not reliable, so let us know if you need any help with that. For part C, listen to medical podcasts, interviews, and lectures. But don't just listen passively. Practice answering questions while listening. Most important tip, don't just practice, analyze your mistakes. Reading is all about technique. Part A, you need speed, scan, don't read deeply. Part B, read carefully. These are workplace texts. Part C, practice with health articles and improve comprehension. But here is where most students go wrong. They do too many tests without learning from them. Quality beats quantity, always. And especially if you are planning to prepare for an exam in such a short time. Good news. You can improve speaking fast. Not your grammar, but your clinical communication skills. Focus on how you speak to patients, showing empathy and clear structure. And practice role plays. You need to feel the pressure and get used to it before test day. Writing is all about strategy. Learn the scoring criteria, how to select the right case notes because here is the truth. You don't need perfect grammar to score well. You need to write what the examiner is looking for and, if possible, get feedback on at least one letter. Let me know if you need feedback from me. That alone can boost your score big time. So here's your 15-day plan. Take 1 to 2 mock tests, focus on weak areas, practice actively, analyze mistakes, do real exam simulations, no random studying, no wasting time. Remember, this is not about becoming perfect in 15 days. It's about becoming smart with your preparation. If you follow this strategy, you can absolutely hit your target score. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more OET tips and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck and bye.